For all things fast and furious, this word is for you. Master Azerbaijani word of the day has süratli. Süratli. Süratli is fast, rapid, or quick. Let's see how we can use those in some phrases and then sentences. But phrases first. Fast delivery, rapid growth, to drive fast. Süratli çattırılma. Çattırılma is deliver. Basically, çattırmak to deliver, çattırılma delivery. Süratli çattırılma. Süratli artım. Artım is growth. Maşını süratli sürmek. Maşın is a car. It's a loan word from Russian. Maşını the car basically to drive fast. Or you can want to say süratli sürmek is just a drive fast, but I just wanted to give you guys extra maşın for the car. Ready for sentences? Let's go. Bu şirket süratli çattırılma teklif eder. This company offers fast delivery. Şirket company. Bu şirket this company. Süratli çattırılma fast delivery teklif eder. Offers. Teklif is the offer. Teklif etmek to offer. Teklif eder offers. Right? Another sentence. Şehir içinde süratli maşın sürmek tehlikelidir. Driving a car fast inside the city is dangerous. Şehir içinde, şehir we already know is a city. İçinde inside, in the city. Süratli maşın sürmek, to drive a car fast or driving a car fast in this case. Maşın sürmek to drive a car. Tehlikelidir is dangerous. Tehlike danger, tehlikeli dangerous, tehlikelidir is dangerous. That was my way of using the word süratli in Azerbaijani phrases and sentences. I have something that hopefully will make it easier to retain the word. I would love you guys to learn Azerbaijani more süratli than this. But hey, thus far, you have heard over 700 net new words from me. All right? So you guys are doing great. Let's keep up the good work and come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, I have masterofazerbaijan.com that I think you will find valuable.